Good morning. Good morning, my people.
Nigerians, wake up, oh, wake up. Buhari don't die, and I don't want to tell you, Jai, make you answer soon. Nigerians, wake up, oh, wake up. Buhari don't die, and I don't want to tell us, Jai, make you answer soon. I know you can kill me, but you can't kill this message. Like Buhari is alive.
Oh, good morning.
Let him come out and address
Good morning.
When they give us photo
Edited video.
We don't tire for this rubbish. Over 200 million Nigerians. Photoshop president. COVID-19 palliative. Our politicians. Ordinary carry rice and needle. The pack and go cruise for way out. Chai,
Very trouble.
chai.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning.
Buhari don't die, and they don't want to tell us, Jai, make you answer so. Nigerians wake up, wake up.
Buhari don't die.
And they don't want to tell us, Jai,
Share as you are coming, please.
Nigeria don't go. Everything just dey upside down. Nothing is working in Nigeria. No jobs for graduates. All our roads, hospitals, no facility. Electricity, na zero. Quality education,
Na zero.
all man pikin.
They suffer.
Politicians pikin.
Good morning. Good morning.
Enjoy. Nigerians wake up. Buhari don't die. And they don't want to tell us. Jai, make you answer soon.
Enemy, they know they breathe with the praise. Oh, Agbe, come here. Mona go invite Agbe. Agbe, oh, na computer. Our magic brain, my computer. One family. So, my brothers and sisters, good morning, good morning, good morning. So, quick one. It not still too quick. I will still stay here 1 hour. So, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You know, my brothers and sisters. Oh, from Edo State to Mona come wash. Mona invite to people when they come wash. Oh, now the women that they spend money for. See, huh? When I see her, now the women. So the reason why we praise our the Asian women, the Asian women, they are good women. You know, in Benin City, they are be killing, slicing our boys. Our women kept quiet. They are not doing anything about it because they are jihadists. They don't use those boys this way. Say they go die before them. So you see your children, now so they'll slice them. Now so na children. Now so na children. I don't care. Facebook, if I don't have any more, you block the video, you not concern me. But now so na children, now so. The women, they are going to be raping them. This is your brothers. You understand? You see, they are jihadists. So, though women are swear, say they use their children till they do karika shop. Even the one way they abroad, with the URA, yeah, they look all of them. They URA, they do raw sort of rubbish. It is say they don't arrive. You never arrive. You as a nurse or you as a healthcare worker, not gonna be this. No, not be this now. They look at 12. No, not be this. We know what we did do. What you will need up, but you if you knock her, you are gonna see her. If you knock this woman, they'll deport you. Try yourself. So you as a healthcare worker, I am a healthcare worker. I work in a healthcare. Una be shit. Una be nothing. You are nothing because it's not your country. You are a shit. You are a shit. You know nothing. If you try and touch the woman, they'll not deport you. They'll deport you, deport your children. Or they'll put one case for your head. Like they'll put on. You have to take care of them very well. You understand? So, una old mama, I'll see show now. Una old mother, una not get sense. In the sleep street, nobody they take care of her. No health care, no facility. Una not get sense. Well and well. So, no, before I show now mama, may I feel talk to that useless Agbe. Agbe anana work by. Oh, Agbe work by. For your information, my people, I'm going to tell our leader, all of us, now he do cover us, he do, only he do. Now cover us, not be Igbo. He do, all of us, the Igbos, the Isoko, the Agbo, the Godomi, Godo, now he do, now cover us. I'm going to tell our leader that, not be Igbo cover us, he do. He even dey our land, he do dey our land. He do area, he dey our land. He do eri, he dey Igbo land. He do Ijo, he dey Ijo land. So now he do now cover us. All this great Benin manipulation, not be expectation. I don't know what they write here. Now Benin manipulation. The British not fight Benin. British they fight Idu. Go and ask. He dey Portuguese like bro. People will get on the day where you surprise, Agbe or Brigand come out. They're not British, not get a time where they take fight Benin. If you are Benin, go to Benin Republic, you find your brothers there. Go to Benin Republic. I mean, with the same make Yoruba people trace their people to Benin Republic, not to the other side. Benin Republic, go there, go and find your brother. Not be Benin the fight. Benin was started. I still talk that they not believe. Now when who are they can't grandson talk and they believe. Benin started 1953. Now they put Benin in Benin City. The name of the city where Igodomi Godo. Even the Benin people they are said they know say they be Igodomi Godo. Not the truth. Yoruba people trace your lineage to Benin Republic. not Igodomigodo, not Idu. Idu na cover all of us. Even the Igbos, the Isokos, the Agbos, the Ikwere, and the Potak, all of them. Idu na cover us. Idu na cover. Not be Igbo. Idu. Where did the Yoruba raise the Idu name from for our library? Why did they remove it in for this thing? Eh? Idu win Idu. How not tell winners? I don't get sense. Hello, Baba. Good morning, Baba. Hello? Hello?
My sister.
Good morning, sir. God bless you, sir.
Good morning.
Talk, sir.
Thank you very much for this message. Help me tell them. Help me tell them. I do cover everybody.
Now I do.
They say Abia. All of them migrated from Idu land. Idu, but only say say this Igbo language now supposed to be.
My brother, may I tell you what Igbo Igbo na betrayer. Igbo na Fulani and Yoruba na put Igbo na give na Igbo. If you see all the Igbo men, now all of them are betrayer. All of them. Now as Yoruba they betray. Now so Igbo they betray. Now I do be our name, our ancestral name. I do. These people, they can find their brothers to Benin Republic. We were never Benin. The document they Portuguese library now. God bless our own cheap brother. We get her. No, now we, all of us, South, now Idu, now cover us, not be Igbo, Idu. Now Idu.
Rich Anambra, so you know, and all those stuff. Everybody now.
Idu.
So what I wanted to see is that, according to where I know, the little research I found out, I know. Even Urumi, as Urumi be head of Asia, Urumi still remain. Urumi still remain like the head of the, you know, like the power land of Idu. You understand? And but when I see the old in like 11th century, like 11, when we say the world never reached 20 years after, 100 years after, according to their writing. So when you enter, when you see the name, the old name, when they used to answer, for example now, you get the one for Rumi, Agba Noche. I don't know if you know the history, because Agba Noche for Rumi there. So if you look how their name be, those old name, if you know their name sound, so you will see it easily like language of Igbo speaking, like. You know?
My brother, wait. There is no need to beat around the bush. Wait. If we get Idueri here, Idueri, Igbo land. Now I do cover all of us. All this great Benin manipulation, they make noise.
Now they talk. But for language, you know they say everybody can speak English now, so official language general today now. Now this Igbo when they put for internet, when we say only I go see for internet, you don't see any other language in the south. Because white people when divide us, share us, now they know our history pass us. You understand? So that's why they put that Igbo as the language, because that Igbo is supposed to be not be the language of Idu. Now Idu get that language.
Now Idu.
So the thing now,
I'll be Igbo.
The thing now, in our generation now, you can't be like say Igbo speaking, and then be the Igbo, and then be the origin.
Now Idu. We'll go call our leader. Now Idu cover everybody. Thank you. Thank you, Baba. May I continue? Thank you. Now Idu.
You know people when see they close, and also you see no people when they close to our leader. You know, when go see.
Me go play voice record. Nah. Go play and go give her. He do not cover. Now because if they say all of us na Igbo, now make these people they get up. Thank you, Baba. I know to get on Sunday.
Not be say Obi Igbo. Now just our language, language they call Igbo. Now be the Itu go. Now you get that language. So not be say Obi Igbo. Or Igbo supposed to be a tribe. No,
thank you very much.
Official language. You know, like say when people want come divide us, I say they not come. They not do their.
They clean the do come up for our name. They clean now. We get it where here. They clean now.
You see,
no get sense because they will they beat around the bush. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, sir.
support the city. They supposed to use official language. Supposed to be this language where you see our kingdom for Uromi, our kingdom for Igodomi. You see their name. You know, you see their name. You see like they were counting.
Now make us they fight Yoruba. Now Yoruba na do one. Now make us they fight. We know what we they do. Now Yoruba clean now come up for register. God bless you, sir. May I continue? May I continue? Thank you.
God bless you.
God bless you, Baba. Now he do cover everybody. If you know you are a great Benin, find your brother go Benin Republic. You can see. You can never divide us again. Now Yoruba people not clean the nail. He do not cover everybody. If you want to go and kill yourself, you go and kill yourself. We are going to win. Because our leader they shout, Igbo. It's where we get her. It does some bad road. The street is long. It go long. Come out for Igbesawa. A very long street. Now be Ansa quarter. We have Idweri. Igbo people have Idweri. Ijo have their own. Port Harcourt have their. Why? What are you saying? He do. Now cover everybody. He do. Why did the Yoruba remove it for the register if they don't know what they do? Tell your brother. Agbe. Tell your leader to find their brother to Benin Republic. Yes. As that land, now he do. Now he cover everybody. Not be Igbo. Igbo is just a language. And Igbo is set up by Britain, some elders, the betrayer elders, and the fucking idiot, the Yoruba people, and the Fulani, and the British. Now he bring Igbo, come say, it's Igbo. What Igbo mean? Igbo name is betrayer. Idu. We are Idu. As a Biafra, we are Idu. Now he cover everybody. Igbo is just like Yoruba now. Yoruba kifela. That is why Igbo is trying to kill our leader if they can't. They cannot kill him. They not kill him. He do. From today, we now do. So if you want to stretch this thing, you think you will win us? Wow, he do. We get Idu area. He's there. Idu area. He do eri. All of them are the same. Now he do cover us. Agbe, if you know, see, you say you go school. The school where you go, you turn your brain upside down, you don't get sense. Because they shout, Igbo. He do not cover everybody. If you go to Port Harcourt, you'll see he do street there. Okay? Now he cover everybody. And now that land won't they drag. Now we come for Benin Republic. That go to land. Now they for start. Agbe, may you come out. If he do area not dead here. Mumu idiot. You think say we get your time? We know everything I do now cover us. Not be Igbo, he do. You're crazy. All the time go, you come out, come they sort our leader. Eh? Mumu. Hello, Baba. Good morning, sir.
Hello, sister.
Hello, Baba. Good morning. Good morning, sir.
How are you, Biafra?
Biafra, we hate you, Baba.
Yeah, I just want you to know one small thing. This topic we bring and a very important topic as well. Me, I'm from Enugu State. But me may be Enugu State, the person from Enugu State. So please send dialect to speak.
Eh?
No be language me a person be Enugu State they speak. But to get general language where they call Igbo. That general language, now be able to speak them. You understand them. You understand that. But if I speak my own village language, you will be another person that will hear my own. That's how you be. We all of us now, it all of us be.
Now we be.
But that Igbo just like English name, we be saying everybody.
We'll put Igbo for our side. All of us now it do. Now it cover us. Make them go kill yourself.
Igbo na general name we say everybody speak. If it's come to Edo person, you go to Edo person, you go hear them. It's come for Edo person, you go hear them. It's come for person, you go hear them. But everybody get the only language they speak. But they say for ourselves. If our bad they drag the kingdom, make them go in go to the drag.
He go Benin Republic. Benin that year. Say Great Benin, Great Benin. 1953, now Great Benin start. Which one be? Not be even Benin. They change out. Now Yoruba, you are not change name for register. Now you do not cover all of them. Call it Great Benin. Now Wazobia they see. They know they see Great Wazobia.
That word Igbo the first time. And that word Igbo they hear, and they pay them for heart.
Igbo na Fulani na bring Igbo na language. Now you do cover all of us. Only do.
Onitsha migrated from Ikodomiko.
Exactly.
Come on.
Uh-huh.
Why did you see myself? Even Eri, they for Anambra, they for Joland, they for inside Edu. We don't know the history. If you know, they may teach them. When they go to their land, please give us alone. We don't want to know.
My brother will pursue there. They'll go Benin Republic. The Benin Republic did there. They'll go. Thank you, Baba.
Thank you, my sister.
Thank you. We are going to drive you people. You are going to Benin Republic. If you don't want to change your evil way, you think you can win us. Me, you win me. Me. Now, they know the secret Wazo Benin. Now, Wazo Bia they see. The Biawe day now, he do every day our land. He do every day Igbo land. He do what is the color for job? I still find out. Come tell now Sunday. Now, we get network all over the world. Our people, they are very, very brilliant. And they look at who is who. Don't know why they don't start the jihadists. Me at the show now. No matter this Agbe way he had yellow. See their children, see ya. Una see ya, that they fuck the women way they, that they belly the men way they, see ya. You see ya? Useless people. One call draws go back. We don't know na taxi, so we not did one one nothing. Instead security so go Benin City. Mona said that they suffer first. They know they hear what. Say they see Benin before they see Biafra. He do not cover us. He do. Yoruba na change. Yoruba na change for register. If na want, if na lie, may Yoruba still come out. If na lie, they tell them. May they come out. Let them come and drag with our Esako brothers. All those ones, they know everything because they are forefather. Or the many say they bring Islamists to them. No. Their forefather told them a lot. Even our job brother, they know it all. You now way come for Benin Republic. Una want to come and drag the land we not get. Una go school, but we know where our papa and pass. I crazy. We say we will come together and fight as one. We don't live together for many years. If una not need that like that, una shift go Benin Republic. Una shift go that side. We not they drag anything. Abi agbe me adovio wera. Abi adovio wijwe we aredo. Umenia. Abi wa bomoao. Una di Kanu. All those Igbo efulefu, Igbo stupid people. We don't know themselves. Whether they fight Una di Kanu. He get what he collect for their hand. No. Because Una di Kanu is truthful. He's right person for this freedom. He has to give us this freedom. Some people enjoy. So no seafood shop. So not the seafood shop. So you eat. Their next generation still come. They'll still eat. When the rest people they die for hungry. Come here, come they talk rubbish. Now he do cover all of us. Me want see how now take Bena. Me want see how so now take Bena. He do. Body do it where he did here. My baba. My ancestors. Ama. He do where he did the egg me want see how so now take Bena. Not be Igbo cover up. He do. He do. Now cover us. Yoruba cleaner. They ain't clean. They cleaner for if they cleaner come up for register. Thank God say we still remember. Now he do cover not be Igbo. He do. Body do. Only do. You do not cover up. And all of us, we are great people. And we are great people. Yoruba come, they divide us. Now small Fulani do for inside because Fulani knows sabi redirect. Now the truth now let God that sabi carry both their women and their men. Now make me show now this thing. Yoruba come, they divide us. Come here, come you talk rubbish. Idiot. We have to go back to where we came from. Now that one they prepare there for body. Igbo na language. Igbo not be cover us. Igbo na language. All these useless people come here. Ele Ifema. Yoruba, they don't deal with their leaders. So. Don't they change go and fight for your Oba. We no hold you. Go fight for your Oba. But we now do. You can't change it. And Biafra is going to come. You said Biafra does never exist. Biafra does never. It not be Yoruba way clean Biafra for register. It not exist before the British come. Now Ojuku raise alarm say we want go our own way. It not exist. Now Ojuku raise alarm. Now Biafra. It do Biafra. It do Biafra. Now we be. Now it covers South and Southeast. Yoruba know it all. What you now want to tell us? Now we be do. Now cover all of us. If you want to argue, you don't know what is argue. Una di canoe too far. Come and argue with me. Let them send me and you. May they ask you question whether you feel answer. May you not go find your brother go to Benin Republic. Come and drive land will not be your own. If you want to live with us, we are not driving you. But you cannot live with us and make us to be uncomfortable for our own land. It don't work. It will not work. Since you know they die, you they threaten me. Hey, now, we'll see you go fair each other. Oh, me. What bet you are idiot. Come here, come they talk rubbish. Una the canoe not send you message you. You don't know. You know, say you go and fight for your king. You know me, you may not fight. But that fraud, now we not like. The fraud in that Zoom, now we not like. Idiot people. Let me play. I want to play you guys something. Obodi do now we be. He do na the canoes and he do ma. Oh my God. I sent this thing here. Mike any review it. Come they cover. Now so we want to live for all the days of our life. Every day jihadi that they keep people anyhow. Yeah, we not belly. See they breed that rubbish. Idiot. All these a fool. Where they go, all of them are betrayer. We don't want them. My brothers and sisters, the thing where they find this money I invest. Now you do cover all of us. I don't see the thing. But when I show now this thing, I'll show now again. Oh, come out all the time. And now the canoe they fight you. You know they fight you, but we they fight you because you don't know where you come from. You did not know where you came from. Either you stay on your lane. Everybody fight for freedom. If you want to stand on our lane, we crush you. We are do. Obodi do not be Igbo cover out. He do not cover everybody. He do. And Yoruba know the reason why they clear the do come up for register. And the Godomigodo, they know why they come remove it from the register. What are you going to tell us? Even though you they play all those Igbo useless Igbo ifulefu, where no one come up for not. The Lagos state where they destroyed that day. The Lagosians, the governor say the land belongs to the government. It doesn't belong to them. All their store where they destroy. It belongs to government. It's not for them. Useless people. Now the Kano they kill people for the Zoom. Now the Kano they kill all those people where they kill for Benin. Now kill the man where they kill for Benin where they spend money. Now kill them. Now kill no but now they kill them. So any motherfucker we no want change for his way. You no want follow the truth. He go die for nothing. We know the truth. So we are going to protect ourselves. Home and abroad. We are going to protect ourselves. Thank God for our Eastern security. They are going to protect our people. Una way they shout, hey, do Eastern security not there. Now they talk. You know there. You know. If you not there, our leader no right now come and say, Igodomigodo ti Bakasi. It's Biafra, they are going to be protected. May they teach the lesson. Benin people. You see Eshaland, the way Eshaland will be protected, you see it. Eshan children is going to Eshan land. They are going to protect their land. Very, very clean as well. Even Esha concerned, they are going to protect their land. Don't worry. Very soon now, I go see something. He do not cover everybody. That useless guy wey dey Germany all the time, you know they talk history again now. Now Nnamdi Kanu be topic all the time. Nnamdi Kanu, he said they are for there nobody for Israel, everybody for Igodomigodo. Una drive the comot. Yes, una say I'll go find that video. Una tell them say don't shower in 3 years, don't wash your teeth in 3 years. Now all of them start to run. Even about Bini talk and say he go reach Iweka. If people go reach Iweka, Abba Bini is from there, Igodomigodo, because his mother is from there. But now where we for fight be say now when the one carry us go join Yoruba, we'll fight too. Because we don't want king again. If you want to be a king, it's okay. You be it in your palace. Don't disturb anybody. Yes. If you respect yourself, people respect you. But say you want to put our head for idegedege. No. Nobody. Everybody like life. Nobody they born come make us suffer. Only your fife your come. My pikin was born with silver spoon. It was born with golden spoon. So my own neither come born with she spoon or born with iron spoon. Una no get sense. Why are they want to kill our leader? Because they are enjoying the wet that made for everybody. They're enjoying it. They don't want everything to open. You come here and be telling our people rubbish. Agbe, you stupid idiot. You that your government is taking care of. You greedy bastard. Idiot. Government of Europe is taking care of you and your family. You want the fraud that is going on in the Zoom to continue. You never see anything. Monarchy how many boys una fit kill because anyway. But at the end, you go see whether Biafra exists in here or whether it not exist. They mad because una oppress Ojuku. Una oppress Ojuku all over the world. Oppress Ojuku. Even we follow our parents follow our oppressor. It don't change. The topic don't change. Of you were here. Now no get sense. Una no get sense. Topic don't change. Nazemu otherwise. That's the way that they cheat. You know the wise. You go remember Mugu forever. If you remember Mugu, go and kill yourself. For me, I can never remember Mugu. No, for me to remember Mugu, I'll disown my brothers, disown my sister, disown everybody around me, and move on until I die. I'll move on with my life. Who said on a message? Agbe, you pull that video. Hey, Nnamdi Kanu said this. He do not cover us, Agbe. You cannot argue it. The Yoruba that clicked it in the register, they know it very well that is do not cover. My brothers and sisters, before I forget, if you are from Idu land, all over Idu, south, and southeast, now so will they call and not be Idu, but Idu. Now I'm gonna go kill myself. If you are for Idu, come and come please. Come and donate. Attention. IPOB. One family.
This announcement is for those outside of the USA that wish to donate to the Eastern Security Network Fund that is based in the United States. Because of the fees that donators have to pay the bank when sending wires, we recommend that if you're sending less than $250, that you donate through the IPOB USA website.
What is the worry this for?
And less expensive for you. Go to our website.
If you turn outside down.
www.ipobusa.org/donate. That is www.ipobusa.org/donate. And make your contribution. When it comes to keeping our people safe, every bit counts. After all, the security of our communities is our responsibility. Let's make this happen together.
My brothers and sisters, you for many Idu land, you for Isoko, Urobo, Edo, because they share. You for Esako. I get the put the old rao, which is Joe, Iquero, Rivaso, any place where you for come, Igbo, even if you be Yoruba, you go find yourself for Yoruba, but you na Iduma, donate. Or you go find yourself for Kanu, you na Iduma, donate. Because every day can't. If you not donate, let me show you how they want to do your children. Now they thank our leader because he's there to help you. See how they will do your children. See how. Now see how this is young boys, our young boys. I don't care Facebook. After the live video, you block it. I don't give a fuck. You see how they are killing our boys anyhow. The main charge they concentrate on you. You understand? They are not killing the women with female. The main charge. They are killing our men. So Bini women, why bagbe? Nu why I can't call you wa? Since if you wa na you people should get up your ass. Then if you somewhere, go and fight. The women should come out in ring road and go and protest. Ijo women, Urobo women, Ishakiri women, Isoko women. What are you people waiting for? They are going to kill our children, all our children, before you get up. Get up, wear brazier and pint. Go outside there and demonstrate. In Europe, if you are in Europe, anywhere you are in Europe, we are going to organize it. One time we are going to meet ourselves in Germany because a lot of our women, they are in Germany. Some will be in Italy, Germany, London. We are going to meet ourselves there and demonstrate. If not because coronavirus, may some affair come. May the coronavirus come off for road. We are going to do it. We are going to wear small knicker or brazier or pen. We tell the Europeans they are killing our people. Europe are not better than us. They are going to also do it in America or Canada. But it will be one day. So that made the world shake. For the Zoom, made the world shake. Now the mothers go feel fair for their children. If not, they'll kill all of them. Agbe that stupid idiot. Where Germany, they put money. Every month, they must receive a lot for their account. Come on, they deceive our people. For your information, we not be Igbo cover of it, do not cover all of us. For your information. So we are not fighting you, but if you want to fight us, we are ready. Because how can we stay for how long in our life? No enjoyment, nothing good. And those of you now that is going to the Zoom and spray money, they are coming for you all. They are coming up. Una way they go, they spray money for the Zoom. They are going to kill your children. Or they are going to kill you guys. See the woman. The woman there the other side. They open your down. Knew where you talk. See the boys. So the women get ready. We are going out in Germany. We are going to Nikedo. Nothing what they had do. Nothing what they never see before. We are going to do it for our brothers or our children or our fathers. Because they all concentrate for the main child. They are just killing our boy. Later now the girls go come the draft. All 10 girls go the draft for only one man. Don't they see man marry again because they kill them every day? When I do, Mona no Mayagbe. When I do, we are going to Germany. We are going to Naked and go and march all over all the European world, Italy, Germany, London, US, Canada. Agbeme you can't hear. Mas spray joie. Oui, you were so fair. I'm fighting for my free job. Not just near me, Not just come, not just near me. May you shut up, dear. They are killing our boys. Now that one matter now. Not doing now the canoe, they kill them. All the time, this boy will just open live video. He go to play all this Igbe for way day everywhere. All this betrayal in Igbo land. Uwazirike, Ijele, all of them go they play them. Those ones, they have said their brothers. They have already sold their brothers, made them go kill themselves. Wazirike, where they say that they pay 200 naira. Even they register. Hello, boy. Nothing where no, yeah. To free, now free. It's free. It's for us, for me and you, to get the same met. And know that this thing that is coming for our land, we will share it, everybody equal. Finish. Oh, they cost it a register for Wazirike hand before they will call go free. No wonder they want kill our leader. Such it don't happen for this struggle. That make me many people know they believe. Oh, they don't they believe us if we they shout. Many Igbo people they look us. May you go ahead, don't say, so you say you want go free, come and register. Oh, don't ask you whether you send you message. Our Edo people in this struggle, they are the essence, the beneath, the essence, that they donate well. Anything we want to do, that they put money. But you know, content they say, we want free, come and register, come and do I don't tell you whether they send you message. If you do, no, they be good people. They get good match. You know, see Showore. Eranomigo collect all their money, give Showore. But they did it because they have the heart to help people. I like them for that one. But you know, see, say you say, come and do register, you want to be free. They'll not answer you. No wonder Igbo people, they are dirty. They are dirty. Hey, all these people, they are fraud. They are me, I not be fraud. I need freedom. Don't give me your money. But the only thing, just wake up, go and join Eastern Security, go and trade, and donate to the Eastern Security. When it comes to your life insurance, every day count €1 euro. Go and donate there. No me Agbe na Benin Republic, na make it a shot. Great Benin manipulation. Great Benin manipulation. Great Benin yesterday na, you go right Wazobia na. Wazobia, the Biana, do. Only do. Not fool yourself, Agbe. Not come out, they fool yourself. And he say, he block me. I don't send you message, even though he block me 100 times, Agbe. I don't send you message, oh. You know what? I dey waka meet you, I know they look you. I cannot look you down for more than 10 or 20 minutes. I don't have that time because I have a lot of internet like Samuel Ekpa. You need to go and learn for many places, not be your own. You are full of hatred and jealousy. If you see that your Gorimakpa head, very full of evil, hatred, jealousy, very full. Agbe and Niger Delta, they were happy they were killing our people in Obigbo. They are brothers and sisters, so they were happy. So the Yoruba people, they clean Idu. Come on for history book. They clean Idu. Come on for the register of the Zoom. Pata. Na Idu cover up for not be Igbo. Idu, Obodi Idu. We have Idu area. So if you still go to Ijo, Ide here. Go to Rivers, Idu de here. Okay? Go to Igbo. Many do the Igbo land. So we have Idu. Now that one cover us. Agbe, not just the fool yourself. May you say, if we call you call the Aju. Yeah, because I say they know they see Wazobi. Now Wazobia, they know they see Wazobini. You know they no Wazobini. You know they una be they do to conquer later on don't clean and finish. You know still work. Thank God for our leader. May I play music? I not get sense. Idiot people. Me and you will not get waiting with the drag. If I did Bini, I know they can't sleep your papa house. I love that my papa house. He bed like this. Now there they stay. I cannot go and steal your papa house. Never. Even though na mirror they take build all of them. I love my papa house, my own and my own. I cannot come and take your own and use it to do my own. You know, work. So ask anybody. I'm not afraid of anything, okay? If I go Benin, there I'll sleep. This I'll go sleep hotel. Una where they abroad, where they do care. Yeah. Una be this. He can't do it. He can't do a shit. If you touch this woman, you are going to the zoo. If in a Ghana, you go come. In a zoo, you go come. You are going. Mumu people. Not today. All of us there, bro. We know what it happen. Not day can make math. See una children, see una boys. Now the men go see the women there. Agbe, you want to put us for bondage? All of us they the same body. You know what? He do now all of now cover us. He do. Mona kill na. Mona go kill na self. We not get with you with a drag, Agbe. Me and you will not come for this help. I don't know you before. Wait, may I show now one thing. I not call no where I put the thing. Now be the thing. See, oh, Fulani. See, Fulani, both women and men. I they fight now. See the women we take care for the 7. So our women have to rise up. Tell Fulani to go. Fulani must go. See there. Wamia. They don't get ubi. They don't get time. Maybe they don't kill that they celebrate. See ya. See ya. See ya. Wamia. They give the women money. I don't guess our women wanna come out go and fight. Well, it go free us. Agbe nothing dey happen. If you don't use, go and join state security. Me not the first one again. They'll kill all of them. Tell your brothers and sisters go and join state security. Gonna walk on so It do not cover us. Agbe we Azua, you greedy bastard. You dey enjoy for Germany. But when go your account, that they plucker, not be people they work on. I want bear you up. My people, we must free. That they kill our boys. It do na cover up. Benin na Benin Republic. Go on, you go come out. Na Benin Republic flag you carry come out. Benin not there at Nigeria. Abwa. 1953 na the change the name. One family. Our leader from today. He do. But he do only do. He do every day here. Now no guesses. We know they fight you Agbe. Now you just they fight yourself. You say when Igbo people come put to na join Biafra, na there they for found na trouble. Mona go kill na say na be minority. Esa na Biafra. Thank God. Esa na Biafra. Even what be my joy, the real godo. They say they be Biafra. So I wish we not come out. We know they talk. Now so one day Oba just come and go, you bring the paper. We na Oduduwa Republic. As an Edo State is Oduduwa Republic. Don't say Oba Tane. Oh Azua. We have our own choice to tell the government that look where we belong to. We are going to do referendum, not be by force. One man, one vote, as they do on that day. If you want to follow Oduduwa, hey, say fogily go. You can go there. If you want to follow Biafra, go. But the land, na Idu land. Oh, body Idu na there for start. If our leader come to say Port Harcourt be the capital, he come later discover, say, see where for start. Na there for start. Even a problem even no. Our leader is a human being. It's not a God. I go tell you everything. Okay, una the head on say no again. Oh, God bless internet. And God bless who do Facebook. Now this say we no. Our ancestors now they use us. No, but now they use us. Now our ancestors, what they talk sometimes, I know they know the time we take the fall for my man. Now the truth. Our ancestors now they use us. Pro this freedom we are fighting, we are going to win. Agbe una say na joke abi. Una don dey see and say don dey clear for na head. Did not wait deal na head don dey open. Now they Chris. Now one can lock us for inside bottle, lock us for bondage. Mo no fit dey talk abi. We not get that time. We are going to free at the same time free our people that is on bondage. Many of them like Obaseki now they on bondage. Only of if give her injection, I take they care our people. If na lie they talk, if your mama go hospital 3 weeks, he don't die. Wanna try now. If your mama carry your mama go hospital, say no way. 3 weeks, maximum 1 month, he don't die. Only of if give the injection, may they care our people, may they keep, may they minus and may they minus and cave the work come, may they for succeed. They know you know work. And without Asian people say no hospital. If they see go and drink agbo. Yes. No hospital. Because they cannot yoke everybody. Who go come fair for the land? That time Yoruba your corny of Ife say, hey, this is our land. They don't know where their land pass. These people, they be already of it. They come from Mecca or they come for Saudi. Come here, come they drag our land, they kill our young boys, they kill our people. Our women know they see us man marry again. One boy, 10 girls go they drag one boy. Eh? So my brothers and sisters, he do now you go to me go there for start. Agbe is just fully himself. At the end of the day, it will put to shame. You people are minority. Yes, you people are minority. You are dragging the Asian. Asian don't want to follow you because all those ones, they know they're stupid. Asian people, they pause, they know they talk. But they know what he did. They not see there for election. They even kill people, president of army. That's all they take they operate. I know my people. They keep, now they do police, now they do civil defense, now they do army, now they do air force, now they do everything. They day up, they ground. Now so, they know they talk too much. But they will react. Who fight British, not be Asian. Now then my papa na fight for Biafra war. Una children go Biafra. You not go. Mona go ask about whether you go Biafra war. Whether not be people, children, that pack go the Biafra war. Mona go fight Biafra people, kill them. Starve innocent children to death. This time no work again, all of us now do. The worst thing in life is that you use your brother, they fight your dad for your brother. That be the worst thing in life. You know, they use our people, the Dweri people, they use it to be fighting the Dweri. You see, that is why they succeed. Why they shouting now, up and down? Why they cry now? Be say, no, they made mistake 2 times. Because we don't wake up. We will not make the mistake our forefather make. We will not do it. When they betray their brothers, now they put their children in suffer. No, we will not do it. So that our next generation will call that we enjoy. So we will do the right thing as today. So Agbe, you just did there, you're the fool yourself. You people are minority. You have to change on your evil way. And if you don't want to join, just shut up. Or join the Yoruba people. I see and say you not still like Yoruba. You don't drag Yoruba, drag say now na bond Yoruba. Yoruba deny now say no. Una not feel bother. Now you don't hate Yoruba. I see and say you don't hate Yoruba. So you see, you are minority. You better shut up as the Asian people shut up. Or you can still be fooling yourself. Not be me get your life. You do what you want. So for your information, now you do not cover everybody. It go reach Benue. Now you do cover all of us. If you don't get sense, if you even go to Benue, you'll see say he do something dead. Who is Zuo? My people, God will bless us. May I place my favorite music for now. Idiot Agbe. Agbe na mad girl. Yeah. Una the kind we call they play all those Igbo fulefu wey dey Denmark with other fools wey dey here. Ask them man be idiot. Una the Kanu is killing our people. Now the Kanu they kill this one. The one where they kill for Benin, now the Kanu kill him. Now what be you what? Idiot. Now the Kanu they kill people where they die for the Zoom. The people where die for Benue, die. Now the Kanu kill those ones. All this Agbe, they want to put you people in bondage, and you are there committing. Hey, right on my brother, you are doing it well. If they don't knock for you, if not Buna the Kanu, therefore they go ask to house now. Get up, you and your children will call them as they take deal with them for Benue. They'll just finish our family, wipe out the generation, so that nobody will be left. Idiot. Man, this Agbe, if they collect money for Germany every 2 weeks or every month, if they collect money, he said, me our people, they suffer. We know they drive Oba, but now when we raise up against Oba, now when he tell us, say, no, not do one like this, not do one like that. Now make Oba keep quiet. Oba is not talking. He's sending Agbe out to come and confuse our people. Suddenly, the other one, say na juju, carry juju all the way from Benin City, come Germany, be using it to fool our people. The other one go say, go and drink salt and die. Hey, Jamie, if you do. Now, what for now? Una do the mumu. Una no dey open una hair. Una no dey still wake up, say, this thing not be like this, supposed to be. These people using you, collecting your money, where you they suffer put. And they'll come social media, they boast for our friend present. I can't clean, no. I can't pack shit. I can't clean anybody's show. I don't fit do our son no. Then you go do one. You go give them your money. Ha! Who do na? More na pay for na freedom. Na not pay. Una go they follow Agbe where they kill una brothers. Una see say Izobo now, Izobo they deny. Say he no kill that boy. Izobo is denying it. Well, let me show you people. Izobo they deny, say no, the boy not there. Whereas they don't kill and another person go carry command. The video not clear, but the video not clear, but he go play. I pray me play. May I send that to the other? Wait first. I want to no with this one. I want to send it to the other phone so that it will be clear. Una see now say Izobo is not denying what he do. He killed the boy. Area Bible Community Network. He killed him. He killed the guy. You see her? He's denying.
Brothers and sisters, let me just my video ni mela. Many years ago, I go on the social media where vigilante bomb and that boy magbe. That night when he cut time, I are interrogated. He interrogated talk Kenya fee.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't know what bagada. A boy must say, "Oh, get a fee, a mafia." A dead boy, women in a Ganaya interroga, I body cover, OCC no ya go. Let me show you the full video.
Nala, my brother. The boy don't die, and another person don't go bring. Did Izobo have Benin people me they ask now? Did Izobo have any right to kill somebody, to shoot Grant, or to shoot anywhere? To interrogate anybody? You are a vigilante. Hand over it to the police. If na police can't kill her, don't know say na police. You don't have right. You are a native daughter. You are a native daughter. Now this kind of people now Agbe say me we can't dey support. What be you Agbe? Ikma Agbo by idiot. What they kill our boys? Come here. They talk rubbish. Great Benin manipulation. See, now it do cover everybody. We have it where here. It do stand for Igodomi land. Have it now. If Biafra come, we alright time. It do Biafra. It do. Welcome to Biafra. It do. We'll place some for everywhere. We are going to block all our border. Now they not guessing. Agbe start to they pack your load because if the rat war started, we don't know our mama. You want to put our people in bondage for a while. Now it do. And as we talk, as we measure the real name, now you'll see. Before 6 months, Biafra don't come. Now one fight war, we are ready. They create the time we will not get instant security. Now they shout for only Facebook. Now we have instant security. We are going to be shouting everywhere. Instead of you to shut up, you see the Asian people. Oh, my people. You know all those ones they can do or do, but they are not talking. They want the more than not look. Even the real Benin people, the Godomigodo, they are not talking. They kept quiet. But made the start. No, but whether not be done fight the war. Now that one I make up by the fear. Send all this where they collect money for Germany, they fool themselves. They can't confuse our people. They think they can win. Now it do cover everybody, not big, but it do. Oboji do only do. It do area. It do area. So it do many. May I go kill yourself. Anyhow, come out this evening. Oh, see for yourself. We dead there. We they look you. We they look your stupidity. Just fully yourself. Instead of few people to agree, you know, it's not only you. We have it in Igbo land. We have it even in Ikwere, in Igala, in Isoko, in Urobo. We have it everywhere. You people are fully yourself, and you people are minority. Now we many persona. The real people, they're going to be playing all those Igala people that sit down, those one where they chop money. Go and ask the real Igala man, the one in the village that is suffering, making farm. Go ask her whether I like Biafra or not. Idiot. Now that one, I will take cash now. Go and ask those one if they want Biafra or not. What in Nigeria they give us? Nothing. Nigeria make you cry. He kill your mama, he kill your papa. You remain no mama, no papa. They even kill your senior brother. Kill everything unkillable. Now let they will be protected their own. Only of if go born, you go say, hey, he was born with silver spoon and golden spoon. Now you born with iron spoon, you can't tell me. Idiot people. All this agbe okosun, whether na okosun that they call them, na Yoruba, plus all these foolish people, up Niger Delta. We also na head, idiot people. Instead of una to keep quiet, look as it go to happen. As far as say the day where they go find our magic, they not fit see am. That day na Yoruba miss am. Now Yoruba clean it do for our newspaper, for our register. So we are going to put it back. Agbe, when Biafra come, now that one are they fear now. All our name when Yoruba clean for their register, we are going to place them back. Benin start 1953. Edo State was called Edo in 1991. So what you will not fit do? Not be human be put on for signboard. Welcome to Edo State. Now human be still put on. Welcome to Edo State. Biafra Edo State. Welcome to or Edo Biafra. Now human be put on. I'm not guessing. My people, God go bless all of you now. Today na weekdays. On Sunday, I will find the video and come and play it for you. Men are not mad that foolish Agbe Great Benin manipulation. Men are not mad there. They are all fully themselves. They are fully themselves. They are killing our boys. Now the main charge they concentrate so that the women now they go come marry the women later. They make our people frustrated. Even the Igbo self go they marry Fulani. Even our guests here marry Kokobiri. We know they see us men again because they are killing our boys. They are killing them slowly, small. Then they kill them. The women come many where past the men. Idiot. Agbe is eating money. Our Edo people are Benin people. Why is there your a boy ni ori share have a Germany? You pay your account. Mostly when nire Nigeria. You pay Agbe. Oh, Blajadwa full idiot. Moro. That you heard now, very foolish and hatred. I want to tell you people something. Igbo, Idu Biafra. You people don't go and comment on the place Facebook again. Don't cause it. Let it just be fully safe. They will not change. Just like Ijele. Even though from today you comment from year to 90, they will not change. They are like that. They are full of hatred. They are full of hatred. They know they are happy. They vex all the time. There is no day they will happy their life. Now so they can never change. Don't comment. Don't cause them. Don't leave them. Let them be fooling themselves. When you comment, they are enjoying it. You understand? Though by they say they like Ijele, I will block this person. Now lie, you are giving him population. They know they block una. Now the truth. Maybe they block una today, tomorrow they reopen una. They know they block. Because you go and comment on their social media, you made them important. That boy is not important. He's digging your grave. You know, see that they take the kid there for Benue. Now they can't kill there for Benue. Now they can't they kill people. Idiot. We know what we are fighting for. Don't listen to all those fools. So, Agbe, our brother Innocent is coming for you. I tell Innocent, may go find another fool. May they deal with you there. We share the job. Freedom is not for one person. We are many. None of our brother will soon start. Me want see as Agbe great Benin manipulation still can't win us. Wow, idiot. So my brothers and sisters, may I praise Mama DK first because now I make the verse. Hey. Idiots. So now y'all shit us. They Jamie, they enjoy. You can't tell us what we know. Idiots. Now when I do, when I know they say any rubbish with this, when I know they comment for a live video, you know, change. He and his jelly, they are like that. They are full of hate and jealousy. God bless everybody. Bye bye.